to scan the ID card or name card. First press Send on the home screen. Select the destination in the address book. Click Original or Send Data Format. Open ID card scan in the list. After turn on the function, prepare a name card or ID card. Open the document processor. Place the front side face down on the platen first. Please note that the scanning range within the A4 area, then close the document processor. Press Start to scan the front side image. When finished, it will show a notice to turn the card over. Open the document processor again, flip the card and place the back side on the platen. Please note that the scanning range within the A4 area. Then, close the document processor. Finally, press Start again and wait for the result. If you want to output in A4 size, click the info card to have more detail.